Hi everyone, this is Alexandr Antsypov, and in this video I am going to show how to make a digital signature on the screen of mobile phone. Create new application, Ionic 5, and add API plugin, signature pad. Change default routing and test. Application is ready and we can make our first digital signature, like this. If it's needed, we can clear working area and can save our digital signature by pressing save button. And after this, if we would make a refresh the screen, we will see again our digital signature. Now let's take a look how this application works. Go to the API. Plugin has only one screen. This is a working area, and after clicking on this button, we clean digital signature by invoking following code. And to save our signature, we invoke another TypeScript, which is pretty simple. So we just get the data of our signature and store it in local storage. That is all what I wanted to show in this video. Thanks for watching.